reason ko kanina why I want to share the gospel, why I still share the gospel today, and why I want to share the gospel is because I love God and I love other people. But I know I have human limitations. My voice is limited also. Na kung sino makakarinig na, hindi naman ako sikat. Hindi naman ako big influencer.
Excuse me, hindi ka pa sikat. Hindi pa.
Sikat
I'm
ba ako
just
dito?
kidding.
I mean ganun. Siguro magbabago rin siya kung magkaroon ng ganung change in my life. Siyempre sa ganun, ano naman, I cannot have a conversation with everyone kung, for example, ngayon, 10 yung nakikinig sa akin, then biglang in the future, we don't know. Ano, dumami talaga to the point na it will fill a room. I cannot have a conversation naman with all of them. So I don't think this is the parang the ultimate way.
Yes.
But to me, I prefer it this way. Kahit na maging ganun din yung situation ng life, I'd still do it this way.
Okay.
Sa mga people closest to my circle of influence.
Yeah. So
Kasi
you're establishing it.
Oo, na yun yung magiging default way ko.
Okay.
Ganun. Parang speaking to multitudes, it's just an alternative.
Okay. I understand.
Yeah, ganun. So parang hindi dahil mas marami na yung reach, ganyan. Magiging ano na lang ako. Ganito na lang, marami naman nakapakinig. I still prefer yung nakikilala mo yung tao, nalalaman mo yung life niya, naiintindihan mo why the gospel is hindi pa na-establish sa buhay ng person.